Love is the end goal. This was said by Ken Keyes Jr., one of the American author, in 1972 one of his handbook on the topic of higher consciousness. अब ये author इतने ज़्यादा brilliant क्यों थे? Let me tell you just one of his story is that when he was 27 years old उनको हुआ था पोलियो एंड बिकॉज ऑफ पोलियो उनकी कमर के नीचे की पूरी बॉडी पैरालाइज हो गई थी एंड सरप्राइज सरप्राइज ऐसे मोमेंट पे जब लोग अपनी ज़िंदगी जीने की इच्छा छोड़ देते हैं उन्होंने अपनी मेजॉरिटी ऑफ बुक्स आफ्टर पैरालाइज्ड होने के बाद ही लिखी थी सो यस so without wasting any time let's just discuss some of the best points from his handbook and the first one is mind is problem not the world at current times we always blames government people our parent for our problems but it's not them it's our own mind it's the mindset just because we are thinking that we cannot do doesn't mean that we can't it's just simply breaking our hope and if we just start thinking about all right this could be done and if we just try who knows it might happen it might sounded like one of my previous videos but it is true you know I am a visionary person but no worries ठीक है next one addiction is equal to guaranteed misery smoking या you know alcohol this is not addiction that we are talking about here the addiction of fear stress anger jealousy etc these are some of the emotions that we are highly addicted to और इन सब के चक्कर में हमारे डेली लाइफ में इतना ज़्यादा मेस्ड हो चुका है हमारी लाइफ दैट वी आर नॉट इवन यू नो वी कैन नॉट इवन स्माइल वंस रियल स्माइल नॉट द फेक वन थर्ड वन इज माई पर्सनल फेवरेट हैप्पीनेस एग्जिस्ट इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट अब देखो यार इट इज वेरी गुड टू लर्न फ्रॉम द पास्ट इट इज वेरी गुड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द फ्यूचर but it is very 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 bad to live in the past or in the future क्योंकि जो खुशी हम लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं अपनी डेली लाइफ में these happiness exists in our present moment you know we stop thinking that okay just because I have a meal I can be happy why can't I just because I have this coffee you know I can be happy just because I talk to this girl or talk to this boy this could be a part of my present happiness why do I have to think like okay future में ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो मैं तो मर जाऊंगा अगर फ्यूचर में मैं इतना ये गाड़ी मेरे पास नहीं आई तो मैं दुखी हो जाऊंगा no you know don't be happy because you will have that car be happy even if you don't have that car अब I know ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा बहुत ही ज़्यादा sophisticated philosophical जा रहा है but that's what he said तो yes and the fourth one is everything happening to you is a teacher सिंपल चीज़ें मैं बताता हूँ if you are feeling jealous then it means you are doubting your own self-worth if you are feeling anger then it means it is very hard for you to control your emotions और देखो यार अगर आपको अपनी self worth पे doubt हो रहा है तो put some extra hours put some extra work to increase your self-worth rather than being feeling jealous about it just try some hard work and increase your self-worth that's it and last but not the least our favorite topic maybe love is the end goal अब यहाँ पे बॉलीवुड लव की बात नहीं हो रही है if a guy loves you because of your body it's no love if a girl loves you because of your money it's no love because love is unconditional love is when someone is loving you because of your flaws not because you are some flawless creature because you cannot you know if you guys are not breaking up because of the problems that you're facing but try to solve them to have a good time together it is love and यही तो मिसिंग है यार अभी के टाइम पे बट कोई बात नहीं so with that Anmol Mishra signing off thank you so much